This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. It's Sunday, it's weekend, so let's go straight to our weekly idea, our weekly analysis. So today, since you know that I have some family issues, so I had to do this one later. I hope maybe you can get this one. If maybe you missed it, you can still watch this one tomorrow. So last week, the market really did not move that much, especially on NASDAQ. So I hope you can see where we are at the moment. This is a daily time frame, guys. It's a daily time frame. So everything was just clear, but we never had those great moves. So why? Because we were between this support and resistance, so the market was just consolidating around this area. So you can see even here we had a fake breakout, then the market just pushed back before the market closed. So let me just try to zoom in, or maybe let's just go straight to 4-hour time frame. So on a 4-hour time frame, it's something like this. If maybe you just want to check, if you don't understand what really happened here, you can go check my previous videos. So you can see here we had, this is a resistance, this is support. So this is a perfect area that we can mark as our support. Now here we had this resistance. So from there you can see we had a fake breakout here, and these candles, they just cancel each other. You can see that they are just equal to each other. It's a bullish, then it's a bearish, and if you check, this is a 4-hour time frame. Actually, we can call this fake breakout. Why? Because the market just pushed higher, then came back again and closed below our resistance. So what can we do from here? Actually, I did not do much. Why? Because my perfect support was here. I hope you can see that, guys. Here it was my resistance. So what happened here, I expected the market to create something like this, but the market was just playing around these areas, you see. So I couldn't take any trade, but even if I tried to draw something like this here as a resistance, still did not make sense because the market never reached these areas here. So I had to wait for the market maybe to go lower. I had to wait for the market maybe to go lower and push higher, but the market was just playing around here. And why? And why did not? Why did I? Sorry, guys. Why I did not take any position is because the market was very close to my resistance. So for me to take that buy, I wanted the market to reach these areas, so that I can say the market will push higher, but the market did not do that. So it means for those days I was just waiting for the market while playing around here. I know when you go to a bit smaller time frame, these moves seem to be much bigger, you see, but this really makes sense when I draw everything. This is a area of resistance, but this one to me it's just a weak support, and it's also an inner support. So actually the strong one is this one, so I won't rely on this one. Why? Because it's a I won't rely on this one. Why? Because it's an inner trend line, which means it's not that strong. You can see even the market coming back here. I can see that the market was just respecting this area, but that did not trigger me to buy. Why? Because this is higher. You can just buy here, then the market push lower, and here once you close those positions, it's around the support, then the market push higher again, you see. So sometimes you should stick to your rules, even if other traders are making money. We are not on a race here, we are on a marathon. This marathon is going to take long. We're going to miss some opportunities, some great opportunities, while other traders they're showing us their profits. But in the long run, guys, we're going to be the winners. If you follow the rules and if you follow everything, you're going to be a winner one day. It's just that you should know that not every day is a day to trade, or not every day you will get those opportunities. You can see we have a very nice zone here. So even here we have a nice zone, but the market started playing around here. This is a 2-hour time frame. Even if I go to an hour or 15, you will see that. So I did not want to take any risk around this area. So what are we looking at here? So my overview for this week, let's go to a 4-hour time frame. For this week, let me just zoom lower. For this week, my overview is, if the market doesn't reach this area, if the market doesn't go lower, it means I'll be waiting for the market to break this area, wait for that retest. Because if you take a buy something like here, you can see we had a fake breakout. So it means we have to wait for a retest before we can say the market will push higher. We can buy somewhere here. But now it means like the market is still playing around here. It means we'll be just waiting. Maybe the market will go lower and we still have our support here. Then if it respected this area here, we can take our nice buy around those zone. Then the market can go higher. Maybe it will be our first take profit. If it breaks, it means we'll just scale up. We can have another positions around this area until the market is pushing higher. But that if it doesn't happen like that, it means we're still waiting for the market to break this area. Here we do nothing. We're waiting for the market to break, retest. Sometimes when you wait for retest, the market doesn't come and retest. So it means to wait, sometimes you can just lose a very nice opportunity. If you see the market closed above, really closed above this area, it's where maybe you can just risk it, because the market did not retest. Maybe the market will just push higher, but the best way is to wait for the market to retest before you place that buy position. I hope you understand that, guys. Sometimes to follow the rules is not a good thing. You don't enjoy everything. Why? Because sometimes you see the market moving up and down, you just waiting, other people are showing you some profits. So sometimes you have to create that patience for yourself. If you don't, then you're not going to be a profitable trader, you see. So from here, let's go straight to US30. If you're not subscribed, please smash that subscribe button, share, like with your friends. Let's grow the channel. We still have that $50 VIP joining fee, which is one-time fee. If you want to be in the group, check my description. You will find my contacts, WhatsApp me or Telegram me, then I will add you in the group only after you paid that $50. This price will change this month end. I think it's only, we left with 2 days, then after we go to $100. So let's go straight to US30 and see what's really happening there. So here we are on US30. On US30, I think everything is simple, straightforward. I just used only 4-hour time frame. You can see that it's 4-hour time frame. So why did I show you on 4-hour time frame? Because you can able to see that very easily. And we also took a trade. Maybe if it did not touch their stop loss, they able to take this opportunity to have this bigger candlestick if they really if the market did not touch their stop loss. So the bigger picture here is we have this wedge. You can see this, it was a very nice wedge. So the market broke here. You can see that the market broke our resistance. We've been waiting for this resistance for some time, but let me tell you what really happened. So the market went up, shot up straight. Then when the market pushes lower, I told my students to buy around this area. I think it's this area. Our stop loss was somewhere here. Why? Because here it's a 4-hour time frame. If maybe some, I don't think maybe some they made profit because this stop loss I think was very close, but the overall picture is some they made profit because I think maybe I removed this stop loss. Why? Because I saw that this market was just turning back, you see. And you can see we have a very nice candlestick here, which was a very nice bullish. This is a 4-hour time frame, remember. Then the market really respected my analysis, and which I like, guys. So if the market respect whatever that you do, not that it's respecting me, but my analysis, because it's what the market repeat now and then, you see. So what happened actually here is we have this area of resistance. You can see here the market was rejecting. Here the market respected this area, even here. So the market broke here and came back again. Then the market pushed higher again for a clear retest. It means here the market came back nicely. You can see the market retested here. It means tomorrow early in the morning we can have a very nice buy here before the market push higher. Then we can have the market can still push higher. Why? Because we just broke the wedge here, then the market broke, now we're retesting, then we can take a nice buy. So let me remove this thing here, because I used this last week for, I think it was for our take profit. So you can see we have a very nice setup. So now we're just waiting for the market to give us that push momentum, then we can be in profit. So it means tomorrow we have to wake up early so that we can catch that move. Let's just go to an hour. So guys, please subscribe, let's grow the channel. So here you can see, guys, you can see, obviously you can see that now this thing is respecting. You can see the first one here, this one never reached here. It means we can just take this position here, then the market can try to push higher. So what if maybe the opposite happens? If the opposite happens, it means, let me just close this. If the opposite happens, maybe the market, let me go back to maybe 4 hour. If the opposite happens, maybe the market will then come back and respect these areas again. Maybe the market will come back here and we have this support here. Maybe the market will come and respect this area again before pushing up. I don't think maybe this market will really break this area and go lower. Why? We already have like double support now. This it was a resistance, now it's a support. So we're hoping that it will respect this area and also this one. If it breaks this one, we also have another wall here which it can respect, but it's possible it can also break this one and go lower, which we also have something here. But this one, it's something for other days. For my daily analysis, we will talk about this when we see the market playing around. And now we don't know, but I'm just thinking that maybe if it doesn't respect this any longer, maybe we can wait for the market to touch and our second support before it can push higher. But at the moment, I think everything is just straightforward, that maybe the market will just push higher. I'm not 100% sure, but according to the analysis, once we have a breakout, it shows up that the bullish momentum is very strong. We're going to retest here before we can go up. You see, this is what happens most of the time. So that's why we say after this we can see the market pushing higher. So the best thing that you can do, just wake up early, do your analysis and check if maybe the market will push higher. Then you can get this opportunity because it's very nice and easy, straightforward. Then if maybe the market shoot higher, you can't able to enter here, and you know what happens sometimes. If the market push higher from this area, it can just continue to move and you can miss this nice trade here. You see, it can move like this here. If you missed to enter around here, sometimes you can't enter here or here, but you see the overall move, it's huge, guys. It's very huge. So I hope maybe you understand that. Let's go straight to gold and see what's really happening on gold. Okay, here it's gold, guys. It's gold. So we're using free here, free membership. So look, this is our time frame, guys. Everything was drawn already before we even have this part here. If maybe you check my previous video, you will see what I was talking about here. We had a very nice support. It was a resistance, now it's a support, and we also have this one here. But you know what happened? You know how gold operates. So if you check clearly, the market really respected whatever that we tried to do. Let me remove this. It was just a resistance which the market broke. So I just want to show you something. So something like this. Okay, so you can see we had a very nice support here, and we also have this resistance. Now it's a support. So the market was around here, Then we bought around here, we made some small profit, but just look how long, just look this candle, guys. This one obviously, it's just that I was already out, but just look at this candle. Then after the market comes back and respect the trend, you see. But if you know stuff like this, you can maybe lose. When the market comes back again here, you can also re-enter here and go with the trend. I was out and I was worried, but not that worried, because when I checked, this candlestick was very huge, but also these bullish candlesticks were also huge. It means if I was losing, I was going to lose I was going to lose enough here, but even the profit was going to be enough. So sometimes it's confusing. This candlestick was just here just to touch our stop loss, because you can see it still respects our support area here. Then just look at these two candlesticks, guys. Joe, let me just go to a bit smaller. Maybe you can see that. And if just check my previous analysis, maybe you saw this one, guys. Unfortunately, we never knew about the rejection, this crazy rejection candlestick. Just look at that. Where I drawn everything, I drawn these things since last week, so I didn't remove anything. We took trade somewhere here. I think the market went up. We were in profit, but not that big profit. Then the market shot lower. It means you were going to hit your stop loss around this area. Then just look what happened. Just look what happened. Just look. This is crazy. But if you know what to do, if maybe you're lost, you can wait for the market to retest. You can see, okay, the market is now respecting, it's back on my support again. You can take that trade again, going higher. You're going to recover everything. Maybe you were going to make like 50% of your account here. I'm not advising anyone, I'm not a financial advisor to take those trades, whatever. I'm just telling you what I was going to do here, not what you should do. I'm telling you about what I was going to do. I'm telling you about myself, you see. Also, we had this resistance, so it means the market was just playing. If maybe you followed the rejection strategy, it means the market was just going to play around here. You were not going to take any trade. Then the market rejected. After that, you were going to still waiting for maybe a retest to sell, but we never saw that retest. Then the market pushed higher. We broke this resistance here. Then the market closed above. You can see that. Then maybe another retest came back. Then you take that retest. You move with it. You just placed your buy order. Then few seconds later you are in profit. Few minutes later, few hours later, you are in profit. If you follow the strategy, but if you don't really follow the strategy, it means you were going to buy around here. Just look at this rejection. If you waited for this breakout, you were going to make some very nice profit. Unfortunately, sometimes when you wait for a retest, sometimes it doesn't happen. But here you can see that we had a very nice retest. You can see that because the market was just moving like this. You can see the market was just moving like this. So this is a breakout, this is a retest, then the market moves higher, you see. But if you bought around here, it means you were going to lose, even if the market was going to go in your favor. So guys, I hope maybe you find this information very useful. Please guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Just smash that subscribe button. We're trying our best. I'm trying my best to do this daily analysis here. So subscribe, like, share with your friends if you find this information very useful. So thanks to everyone who already subscribed. Thank you very much. Let's grow the channel. If you want to join Kenzo Extra Hot VIP group, just WhatsApp me, Telegram me. $50 only. It's one time free. It's only we left with only 2 days. Then from next month, which is June, it means we're going $400. You see why? Because the value is too much. The value is too much. Even $100 is too small actually for the value that I offer in the groups. So thank you for watching. This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. Bow.